Nestled in the small German town is the Holrich Castle. It is a renovated and moated castle built in 1565, and we're going to show you around. Hi, this is Tanner, Rissa, and Willa. In March of 2021, we left on a plane from America to live in Germany, a country we had never stepped foot in before. We had a goal to live internationally and learn more about the world. So far, our experience has been life-altering. If you've been following along our journey, we've recently headed north to the Harz Mountains to experience the scenic steam train, taste local specialties, and experience an adrenaline rush walking across one of the world's longest suspension bridges in the world. In this video, we are continuing the trend of going north, but this time we're staying at a castle. And this experience is unlike anything we've ever done. A castle, a freaking castle all to ourselves for 2 nights. We are really excited. Unfortunately, when we arrive, it's gonna be dark, not necessarily late, but it's winter time, so it just gets dark early. So we're planning on giving you the tour in the morning in the daylight. I stumbled across this place while searching on Airbnb for unique accommodations, and we've been wanting to explore the city of Würzburg, and this one's fairly close. We can't wait to see it in person, take you with us, and spend 2 nights in our own castle. It sounds weird even saying that. This honestly sounds like a dream. Castle in Germany to ourselves. Willow, where are we? The castle!
I can show you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Closet, yeah.
Inside the wall,
Yeah.
like literally.
Yeah.
So cool.
Unrestored paintings, original from 1520. Religious symbols.
Wow. N-E-R.
Look at that, making you feel all welcomed, babe.
You see your name right there? Look at that.
Look at that. Tanner, Marissa, and Willa. Thank you.
You guys, this place is pretty incredible. Just like the age, and it's not like a fancy glamorous castle by any means, but it has so much like history to it. We're really excited to see how this looks in the daylight tomorrow. And Cinderella is right up there. We're excited to see how this looks in the morning. Before we unpack our stuff in our room, we wanted to give you guys a little bit of tour of the place that we'll be staying. So first off, right behind me, this is a closet that was embedded in the 1.3 meter thick wall. Because the ceilings here are designed the way they are, they have to be massively thick walls or else the entire thing would crumble apart. I don't think we've ever seen ceilings like this in any place that we've stayed, but it's a very heavy looking ceiling. Next we have our bed. What I thought was really cool was the door that's over here. We haven't opened it. I'm not sure if we can, but it's just so short. And then just like a little nook over here that possibly could have been like an old chimney or something. Hopefully we're gonna get a good night's sleep. We're very excited to show you the rest of the place tomorrow.
Will is at such a fun age where she's into princesses. She's been watching Cinderella on occasion, and so just driving here, telling her we're going to a castle, she's been keeping her eye out for Cinderella. Have we seen Cinderella yet?
Nope.
Do you know that you're a princess? Princess Willa.
Yes.
You guys, I'm so floored by this place. It is so incredible, and I know I don't even comprehend the history that's here, but just seeing the difference in architecture and and all of the furniture and the low ceilings and doors, it's really incredible. Oh, we love Willa. But we're gonna go get some food, and like Tanner said, we're gonna show you guys the rest of the place here. You're in for a treat. Say good night.
Good night.
Good night. Where's Daddy? Hi, you.
I did Daddy back.
She slept until 8:30.
What?
Ah.
Well, I don't know how many nights that'll happen when she sleeps with us the entire night and we get that much sleep. But that was great, Willa. High five.
Woohoo! You're already feeling like royalty because she was seriously sprawled across the whole bed.
I don't know if you noticed, but she woke up in the middle of the night and just like was sleep talking and she said dress. She was like, Jess. Are you ready to go eat?
Let's go eat. Aww. They left us something.
Ow.
Greetings from the castle. What is it?
It's salad.
We got some bread, Willa. That was really sweet of him. What a way to wake up. After a good night's sleep and a warm breakfast, we've gotten ready for the day and can't wait to take you along with us as we tour this castle. As you can see, I'm standing in front of the castle entrance and currently standing on the bridge over the moat. So there's not much water here, but it's really cool to see what it looks like now and imagine what it would look like with more water in. Let's go check it out. Oh, you have to be stronger than the door. It is so green, like, what the heck, what is he doing to make this grass green? Because our grass at our house is currently not this color. Very open, a big courtyard, and just standing in between the castle walls is something special.
What did you find?
Willis left us to go play in the courtyard, but here's the garden area.
Can you even see?
Let's go explore. I don't know what that is. There's like old bricks and shingles, maybe wood in there, some like leftover materials, but really cool compound.
So probably my favorite part of the castle is right behind me. There is this fire pit with seating around, very communal place right in the middle of the courtyard. You just get this sense of like enclosure, but then you have this entire side towards the garden area that we just left that's open. It's this nice U-shaped area to feel like this is your small community. So I can imagine the feeling that people probably had here, enjoying similar activities. In the summertime, I can imagine this would be beautiful. Even in the winter, you could probably have a fire, stay warm for a little few hours of the day, and just really enjoy the atmosphere out here.
Now we're gonna take you inside to our quarters. So here when you come through the door, you're facing a T, and to the right you have our bedroom, which we showed you guys last night, and to the left we have the kitchen and more of the sitting area. So we're gonna hop over this way. So we just think this kitchen area is so cool. You can see here, there's this little nook area, and we confirmed with the host that these seats here are original. So they're like built into the wall, and then here's the bigger kitchen table. I just think this place is so cute. Another bedroom, but it has its own little nook area here with a table, and then here, a beautiful lounging area. And it's actually right inside of the tower, so that's also pretty cool. And at 1 a.m., let me tell you, this place does get a little eerie. I'm not gonna lie. I woke up and had to go to the bathroom, and yeah, it was a little dark. So here in this area between the kitchen and the bathroom, you can see these unrestored murals on the wall back from the 1500s. So really incredible. Like always, gotta watch your head there. And into one of the most telling parts of any stay that you come to, the bathroom. Really clean, nice place. From the toilet, you get a great view of the castle and the grounds. So not too shabby. Well, Willa's on like her third cup of tea since we got here last night. So we talked to the owner and he's gonna let us go up to the second floor. So we're really excited about that. We're gonna show you guys some exclusive footage of what a castle looks like that's been unrestored.
We're good to go, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, this is incredible. This is all original.
Yes, that is original. It's only one time painted, and here it took 40 days to remove this.
The old paint.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this is made with like mud
Yes.
and hay,
Yeah.
straw, tree branches.
And small hairs from
Horse?
horse, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. And it's heavy.
I'll bet, yeah. It looks like kind of red.
And it's mud.
Mm-hmm.
And cow.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, that's what I was thinking. This texture looks just like it. So I was like, maybe that's what it was. Okay.
Yeah. No windows, no doors, no electricity, no sewage lines. Here is a part you can pick up and see how heavy it is.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wow. 30, 35
Yeah.
kilos, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
No.
You don't have a grip strength with the other hand.
That is heavy.
Yeah, this is impressive. So this, assuming the whole ceiling was like,
Yeah.
was with that designs and plasters, and
Yes.
that is intricate. This was a toilet?
Yeah.
Stand out, stick your bum out, send your drops.
And just let fall everything down into the water.
Dad's gonna go to the bathroom.
Just so, I mean, hey.
Yeah.
So the holes right here, that's where they would sit, I think, yeah. One for each side, yeah. There's even toilet paper up here. No, there really is a roll of it over here. Yeah. One thing during the tour that we noticed that was really incredible is that these metal beams up in this area, so it's actually a metal cable that has these two metal bars on both sides of the building holding the wall together from it collapsing. So it was pretty clear that everything was fairly fragile, so we had to watch where we were going, but seeing the very interesting detailed sculptures into the ceilings, into the walls, the plasters, and the time that it takes to restore some of these paintings by chipping off like a little bit of the layers of the paint took like days and weeks just to remove small sections of it. Overall, this has been an incredible experience for us to see the differences between the time frames from the early 1500s to the 1700s and then what they've made it today for people to come, stay, and experience the castle environment. To see like the bare skeleton of this place is pretty cool. In the 1800s, parts of the walls and some of the wood carvings were actually moved to a museum in Berlin. We thought that was really interesting and cool that some parts could be preserved because a lot of the castle was left to waste. The roof was missing, so a lot of the rain was just damaging the place. It's really cool to see what restorative efforts that they've put into a lot of this building, especially considering how big it is.
Her tongue.
We've loved our time at this castle, especially since Willa is so excited to see Cinderella. We're gonna have to maybe watch that movie tonight. It has its own unique point of history, and I think that's what makes it most special, is that it's something that someone has taken and cared for, tried to restore and preserve for others like us to enjoy it. So thanks again for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.